This is what being a construction worker feel like. I can dig this. I might change career paths. I ain't even lying. Alright guys, it is time to open up this Bullseye House gingerbread cookie kit. Alright. So we have all the stuff here. Some bones, some Christmas trees, some icing, and the cookies itself. The instruction? No, this ain't no instruction. I don't think they got instructions, bro. The instructions are on the back. So if y'all get this, make sure y'all look at the instructions on the back, cause okay. First, we gotta open up this. Oh, you gotta cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Alright, so we gotta cut this bad boy open. So it's a white icing pouch. Clean and massage the white icing pouch for 2 minutes. And okay, we gonna massage the icing. Gotta make love to the icing. I'm just playing, you know, you gotta make sure, let's see, for 2 minutes in order to make the icing more fluid and adhesive. Okay. When ready to assemble, remove cap from icing pouch and snip the tip 1/4 from the end. 1/4 from the end. 1/4. Alright. Ooh, that icing smells good. Alright, number 2. Arrange house pieces on a flat surface. Pipe a thick line of icing on the house base on the marketed dotted lines. Think about these, the cookies already made. All you gotta do is decorate. I'm guessing this is the dotted line. It don't look dotted to me. It definitely don't look dotted to me, but I'm guessing that's the dotted line. Okay, so I need to break those pieces up just like that right there. Oh, yes sir. Don't want to break the whole thing, so you gotta be real careful with it. Hold up, wait a minute. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Pipe a thick line of ice along the edge of each side. We just gonna do this. We just gonna do this right here. Doing what they say. I can see people doing this with kids. This seems like a nice fun thing to do with some kids. 3, back panel upright in the icing base. Press side wall up against icing strip. Repeat the front panel and the second side wall. The walls right here, so we gotta place these right here. Like this. That right there. Hold up. Oh shoot. I got the wrong. Oh no, I got the right. I don't know. I'm gonna just do this right here. Oh no. Okay. Maybe it's like this. Alright. We in here. We place this like this. Our little house coming along. Okay. Alright, so now we gotta pipe it up. Say pipe thick strip of icing along the roof peaks. Along the roof peaks. Hold up. Car ain't got no roof. Okay. I can't hear you, bro. It say the roof peak, but I feel like if I let this go, it's a wrap. So I'm about to seal the deal. I done went off the instructions, but there we go. Now we gotta put this along the roof. I can't hear you, bro. Car ain't got no roof. Hey, we be in the city. Hey, I'm out here with it. Hey, going on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What the hell? Is it supposed to be like this or like this? I don't know which way it's supposed to be. Let me use my architectural skills here. She rocking that thing like. Okay, see, it's like this. She rocking that thing like. Yes, sir. Ha ha. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Say hold for 1 minute. Oh, it say add a icing down the center, so we lock this bad boy in. Gotta lock it in, y'all. Gotta seal that deal. This is what being a construction worker feel like. I can dig this. I might change career paths. I ain't even lying. Look about it. Look about how, y'all. Look about how. So where did little dude go? I got it. Okay. So it say decorate as desired. I don't know what I'm about to do, but about to put some little designs on here. You see that? Y'all can't see my little zigzags, but I'll show y'all when I'm done. I'll show y'all when I'm done. Oh shoot. I done messed up the zigzag on this side, but it's all good. It's all, oh, I done did it on this side too. Oh, Lord. We about to throw some Christmas lights up here. Get it looking real nice. What kind of candy you jam? Ooh. That's good right now. I ain't doing no specific color order. I'm just putting it on here. Just like that. Let me, oh, I need some blues though. I do need some blues now. Can't neglect the blue. If it ain't blue, it ain't true. Yes, sir. We got this icing. I don't know what kind of icing this is, but we about to put a. We sure about to see. All right. Put a little bone in the middle. Okay. We be in the city. Ah, shit. Y'all ever made one of these? I feel like mine look ugly. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, my bone done fell. Hold up now. She rocking that thing like. Let me see what these people did. Okay, they got icing everywhere. I'm about to turn the clout game up a notch. How the hell they get the icing to stay like that? Look at my drip. Look at your drip. Whoa, I'm saucy. But I'm killing it. Whoa, leaning side to side and like whoa. Damn, your girl so fine and she been in like, oh, stop, lean, hit you with that, whoa. I got a bunch of songs in my head right now. I don't even know why. Just like that, we done. Y'all look at my thing. Look at it. Y'all see it? Well, guys, that is it. I done made my little gingerbread house. I'm about to eat these candies and cookies and everything. Dang. These things hard too, so if y'all at the bodies, don't munch on them like that.